I am an exceptional education teacher, a mother of 2 wonderful children. My oldest son is very active. My youngest has Down syndrome. We're always on the go from sunup till sundown. Health is of utmost importance, so I can be who I need to be as a mom and as a professional educator. My GYN retired, and I was looking for someone that I could trust.
Family is unbelievably important. Medical care can affect the whole family. My mother had a long battle with ovarian cancer. There was one doctor in particular who was the main coordinator of her care. It was evident to me the more human side of things mattered to her.
I was suffering from periods that lasted 18 to 22 days. My energy was essentially depleted. Keeping up with my children was impossible.
Imagine for a moment that you're going through what they're going through. As physicians, we're called to be empathetic and try and discover where the patient's coming from and sort of put yourself in their shoes. Instead of just looking at them as a problem, you're looking at them as a person. And so you really do develop a partnership.
Finally, someone listened to me. He took time to explain options and not just tell me this is the way it's going to be.
And we got the surgery booked, and she's done great.
I'm able to do the things that I wasn't able to do prior to having surgery. I am eternally grateful for Dr. Pound and VPFW giving me my life back and my family back.